What's up, boys? We back. Today we're gonna be doing the oil change on the 3000 GT. So we already got our oil and we have our oil filter, and also my oil pan gasket is a little leaky, so I'm gonna be replacing that today. Hopefully I got the right one. It looks kind of big, but I don't know, I guess we'll see. Alright, let's get to jacking the car up. Oh. Alright boys, so we got her all nice and jacked up, ready to get going. Now I gotta take the oil drain plug off, set this little sucker down there. She's still a bit hot, I just took her for a drive. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna taking that off. I believe that's a 18 or a 19, and then I'm gonna take the filter off and get to it. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's 17, so let's get the 17. There we go. Oh, whoops, this is a 19. Alright, so I believe it is 17. Let's get this out. 17. There we go. There we go. Alright, 17. Let's put the socket wrench on it. Alright, so I went ahead and put a glove on because it is pretty hot under here. So, put it on. There's some sucker. It's pretty tight. Jeez. Okay. Oh, there goes the socket. Let's try this again. Well, attempt number one, fail. Alright, so got it. After attempting a couple more times, it's a little bit tight, so second time I attempted it, my wrench flew off and oh, there it goes, all over the ground. Wrong place. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty hot. It's getting on the gloves. I'm gonna take my glove off. Lovely. Well, went all over the ground. Beautiful. Mmm, that looks delicious. Woo. Well, I'm gonna wait for this to empty, and then I'm gonna clean all this oil I spilled on the ground up. And I'm probably gonna throw this towel away now, because it's nasty. All the oil is out. Still a little bit of a mess here, gotta clean up. And now I'm gonna take the oil filter off. Oh, that's pretty tight. I'm gonna need both my hands. I'll set you guys down. Got that sucker loose. Hopefully it doesn't fall down, blow up all over the oil. Alright, come on. It's almost there, looks like. Alright, get it all over this glove. That's okay. I'm probably just gonna toss the glove now. Or just keep it as my little change glove. Ooh, there we go. Yum. Ooh. Just put that in there, who cares? Alright. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit and then fill up the new oil filter with the new oil. There we go. Looking better already. Yum. Things drained out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the filler screw back on. Let's do it. A little sandy. Alright, so we got that back on. Where'd our wrench go? There it is. Alright, let's put this baby on tighten. Oh, it doesn't even have the socket on. Nice. Well, it's much easier if you do it with the socket size, so let's try this again. Just as much as I can with my hand, feeling good because I don't have a torque wrench here, so that should be good. Should do us good stuff. Let's clean that up a little bit. Alright, so now we got our new filter. Check her up. There she is. Beautiful little thing. Alright, I'm gonna rub some oil around her, and then we can go ahead and shove her right back up there. What you do, dip your finger in the oil a little bit, make sure your finger's clean so you don't contaminate the oil. And it should be okay. And just rub a little layer all around the top, especially the edge. Lube it up nice so it goes back on there really nice and keeps it from getting dry and nasty. Also, to do its job really. Alright, so let's put this thing on there. Alright, let's get her back up there. Jump screws. Oh. Come on, sucker. What the? Try this again. So we got the new filter on, got the filler cap back in. Alright, or the drain plug. Filler cap, what the heck am I talking about? Drain plug. Alright, let's go ahead and put the new oil in there. Alright, so I made myself a hillbilly funnel. Hopefully it works. I hope it doesn't just, fall out. I don't know, it might not. The lid looks like it's attached to the top. Alright, so I got 5 quarts or a whole gallon here for my engine because that's what it takes. Alright, attempt number 1. Hopefully this does not spill everywhere. Let's see. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm going to finish this off and then we'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, well, we're done. The oil change is complete. That's how you do an oil change on a Mitsubishi 3000 GT. So, this gasket right here, I was looking at the oil pan and I realized that I have to take the transmission out to even be able to put on the oil pan gasket, and I definitely do not have the tools here to do that. So I'm not doing that at all. Definitely not. Well, that'll just be a part laying around. That's alright. I guess when I have the tools one day and I feel like fixing the leak with that, then I will. But for now, we'll just leave it how it is. It's a small leak. It's just a baby one, so it'll be alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very short video, very simple video. But, we're just doing an oil change. It's all a very simple thing. You can just do it right in your garage, no problem at all. Just as long as you have a couple of jack stands and, a couple, just like a tool or two, easy. Alright, so I'm going to let her down, take the jack stands out from underneath her, and then we're going to go ahead, start her up, let her run for a few minutes, see how she does. Hopefully she doesn't blow up. Nah, I'm just kidding. She's not going to blow up at all. She'll be alright. Still got to clean up that oil, though. It's pretty disgusting. Put a nice little stain in my garage. Alright, I'm going to get to that. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and start it right up. Ooh, I do not like that noise of that starter. I definitely need a new starter because it's making some nasty clicking noise. Let's go ahead and close this door. 3000 GT makes the most annoying sound when the door is open. Very beautiful. That's my baby. Rumble. Alright. See, the reason that this on high right now is because that oil pan gasket has that little leak in it. So the pressure is going to go into it and out of it. So it's like creating a little bit of high pressure. I'd like to get it fixed, but this car is pretty hard to work on. I don't have too much experience with transmission or oil pan gasket. I've never really done anything with the oil pan before. Alright, so I'm just going to let it run for a couple of minutes and then go ahead and turn her off, check the dipstick, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'll be off. Alright, so turned her off. Gonna go ahead and check the dipstick. get some other towels. Alright, check this sucker. Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Be right back. Alright, so dipstick looks good. Put the right amount of oil in it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test drive it to my grandma's house down the road. And then I'll get back with you guys to end the video there. Yo, what's up guys? It's been a few days since that clip. I forgot to end the video at my grandparents' house. Got a little caught up in helping them move in still because they just got their house done. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, help me out. We're just starting this channel, we're growing this thing. I wanna get it really up there, get it big. Maybe one day get up to, 1,000 followers, 10,000, 100,000, million. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna do it though. I'm gonna put my hard work and effort into this channel. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys later.